Welcome to Audio Leo. This is called When God Made You. When God made you, I'm sure that he blushed for the first time, exhaled, smiled, and said, "Finally, I got it right." You see, it took some time to design eyes like skylines, so when you blink, you resemble both sunsets and sunrise. And did you know that your smile can medicate both the common cold and the most depressed soul? But the way you look is not what caught my eye at first. What makes you stand out is what sits in on the inside, and I know some skeptical guy in the back would probably reply with a "yeah, right, but no." You gotta see this girl for yourself, 'cause she's the real thing. You see, I've noticed your beauty before, but what got me interested is the way you treat others, your love for God, your Facebook posts about how it's not about you. You see, that humility actually makes the sunshine from your skin pour out like the Pacific Ocean. Sometimes I look at you with my eyes closed. Why? To remind myself that I can't believe that I've been blind to you for so long, but like all things, I believe there was a reason for that. Maybe your heart pulled me in like gravity head first because God wanted me to both understand and know that regardless how beautiful you are, it should only magnify the design of your heart. And to be honest, I have no idea why, but you make me feel like both a man and a child at the same time, making me want to provide for you or you take care of me. Well, at least when it comes to releasing the butterflies that you tied to my ribcage permanently. And honestly, if you never fall in love with me or we find out that you and I are not meant to be, I'm actually okay with that. Because at least now I know a girl like you exists. And for that I am thankful. You help me believe again that a girl like you, a lady like you, a woman like you is possible. Again, thank you. So, this is Leo from It's Leo TV. Make sure you leave any of your thoughts below, subscribe for upcoming channels. And I just want to end by saying that your beliefs matter. Your actions matter. You matter. Act like it.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video. So if you're joining us for the first time, on here we are trying to use words and visuals to make beautiful that which is distorted. So consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell so that you won't miss any upload that we make on here. And hope to see you in the next one.